This oil and loop changes oil while the passenger waits in the car. So I'm waiting in the car. The oil change is $34, and I think the vent is 34. Dirty. Thank you for cleaning it.
Cool. I have a lot of things, like when people don't check these things, there it goes. Stuff never gets used to getting moved out. So
You want me to hold it for you?
no, I got it.
The light? I can hold the light for you.
There we go.
Give me your flashlight, I'll hold it for you.
There, all set. So I'm gonna put this through here.
How come I'm missing one, you said, on the side?
Oh, one of these clips?
Yeah.
I don't know. Whoever checked it before?
Forgot to put it back?
Forgot to put it back.
Oh, so if you want to take that thing out, you have to take it from here?
What do you mean? Yeah,
So
through there.
everybody have to take it from there?
Through here, yes.
Oh, wow. Okay.
All right, so you're all set there.
Thank you.
Opens and closes the same way.
Okay, cool. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Put a little sticker on there, so the next time that it needs to be serviced is May 14th, 2025, or when it reaches 147,000 miles. The guy is gonna come over to give me the check.